Hey, good morning. Mark's Crypto Corner News, June 27th, 2020. Nice day outside. Let's get on with it. News. A top analyst just broke down some of the biggest Bitcoin FUD. FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's just a whole ball of anxiety, isn't it? Despite its growth and adoption over recent years, Bitcoin is still far from understood and looked down by much of Main Street and Wall Street. In a May call entitled Implications of Current Policies for Inflation, Gold and Bitcoin, two executives at Goldman Sachs discussed BTC, Bitcoin, if you don't know. According to leaked slides of the client call, they said, buy Bitcoin and gold. I'm assuming because that's really all that's left out there for any sort of solid growth. Anyway, so don't take my investment advice, but seriously, it's kind of true. Do take my advice on looking at iCoin Pro, though. Anyways, let's move on. Point to point. P2P is point to point trading platform. Crypto locally adds native token GIV. Earn GIV now. Give tokens by trading and referring users. Okay, so Crypto Locally has added its own native token to the peer-to-peer trading platform for users who want to access special features. Probably like Binance and Poloniex, they have their own coin that you can use to pay your trading fees with, and you get a 25% discount on your trading fees when you use the native coin of that exchange. So with current global pandemic situation, cryptocurrency exchanges have been exploring ways to expand. In the past weeks, Crypto Locally has added numerous tokens, including USDJ, Just, USDT, TRC20, which is a Ethereum-based token based on the Ethereum network, and now GIV. What is GIV? GIV is Crypto Locally's native token, as it says right here. And I wonder if you use it, will you get a discount on certain fees and products or services? I'll have to find out. Next is Ethereum just printed a macro buy signal, yet not everyone is convinced. Yeah, I should look at that. If you zoom in and look at Ethereum's price action since the March lows, it would be easy to say that ETH is doing great. But if you took a step back and looking at the micro view, you would realize how bad things have become. Against the dollar, the leading altcoin has collapsed by around 85%. Okay. Maybe it's good I sold. I'll have to look into what ETH is doing today. I haven't looked in a couple of days. There's a chance Bitcoin won't break 10K until next year, says one analyst. Bitcoin has been coiling for a breakout over the past few weeks. The cryptocurrency has traded in the low 9,000s, stuck between heavy support at 8,500 and heavy resistance at 10,000. Soon enough, analysts have said something will break. Something's going to happen sooner or later. We don't know what it is. According to a prominent trader, Bitcoin is more likely to break this consolidation to the downside rather than the up. Okay, so what? Doesn't matter. We're not trading on if it goes up or down. We're trading on the percentages, and altcoins offer more margins on trades than Bitcoin does anyways. Ripple XRP has been in a macro downtrend for almost 1,000 days. And from the lows made in March, Ripple is up by over 50%, trading at 18 cents as of this article's writing. Yet this bounce has not convinced analysts that the cryptocurrency is back in a bull market. In fact, one trader recently noted that soon enough, the third largest altcoin will have been in a macro bear slump. It's okay. Ripple has its place. And what have we got here? Wirecard. Crypto card users' funds locked as UK regulator suspends subsidiary. So, what is this? A UK Financial Conduct Authority. That's sounds like an official thing. On Friday, has suspended the license of Wirecard Card Solutions, a unit of troubled Wirecard AG, which is responsible for issuing Visa cryptocurrency debit cards. It means for some users of cards such as Crypto.com's MCO Visa debit card and 10x's Visa card may not be able to access their funds. Somebody's having trouble. Okay, there you go. Keep that in mind if you got one of those cards. 53% of Bitcoin options just expired, marking a historic milestone. Bitcoin and Ethereum just saw their largest respective options expire, ever marking a major milestone for the cryptocurrency market. This expiry took place earlier today and did not coincide with any intense volatility. Despite what some analysts had forecast, it now appears that the volatility associated with this event did occur earlier this week, and we all missed it. I don't know, I missed it. I was crazy busy this week. Okay. Ending the week on my son's 6-year-old birthday, which is great. So next, yield farming pool concept may solidify Ethereum's role as BTC's main side chain. Like Batman and Robin. Decentralized finance, DeFi applications on the Ethereum chain have been growing wildly during the last 2 years. That is wild stuff. Now, a number of synthetic versions of Bitcoin that leverage the Ethereum chain has outpaced off-chain solutions like Blockstream's Liquid and the Lightning Network. And I think the Lightning Network needs a bit of tweaking. Just recently, the platform Synthetics revealed a partnership with BitGo and the Wren project. The Wren project. Wow. What is that? The Wren project. Interesting. We're not going to know right here. I'll have to research that later. Next, the simple reasons why this trader is cautious of Ethereum. One person's thoughts. Ethereum, like Bitcoin, is currently trading at the lower boundary of its long-established trading range. The cryptocurrency does appear to be positioned to see a breakdown below this range. But whether or not this takes place will likely depend on Bitcoin. One analyst is now growing increasingly cautious on Ethereum, explaining that massive spikes, blah, blah, blah. Okay, just watch your coin, see what it's doing. You know, there's been a bit of news lately on Ethereum, whether it's going to go into a bear mode. So keep an eye out and see. I sold mine a little bit ago because there's been a lot of news that it could go down, so we'll see. Anyways, moving on. Arc.io announces Market Square, the new homepage for the decentralized web. And if you want a decentralized web, you can get a decentralized domain name right actually here in my blog. Right up the top here under affiliate blockchain domains. Yeah, you can get that there. It's pretty cool. So back to this. Let's see, Ethereum, like Bitcoin, is currently trading at the lower boundary of its long-established trading range. The cryptocurrency does appear to be positioned to see breakdown below this range. And, yeah, we've read that. And then there's an inside look. June 26th, yesterday, a leading blockchain technology provider pulled back the curtain today on their newest product, Market Square, is being regarded as the new homepage for decentralized web. In recent years, the amount of blockchain businesses, applications, and services available to the general public and tech community is expansive and ever growing. Yes, Market Square. Okay, cool. So that's it for the Bitcoin news for Saturday, June 27th. And watch your coins, watch your crypto, and watch yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. You want to get a free crypto training account? Go right here. You can click that, or you can go to markaustin.ca as well. Let me just show you how that works there. markaustin.ca will take you right there too. So that's me, and there's Mr. Justin Clark. He is one heck of a dude. Transparent, informative, educational. It's going to show you how to make some smart trades, and you can get a free training account and 100 other bonus things in there. Come in, take a look. Doesn't cost you anything, and you're gonna freak out when you see what's available to you. All right, anyways, there's that plug, and I thank you for watching, listening, and I love to love you. See ya next week and throughout the week on some posts here and there. Ciao.